Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, rear step bumper, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find capless fuel filler system, seats, 4th row seat type, 50/50 split bench, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, one-touch windows, 1 armrests, driver's seat, cargo area light. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.